You've just connected your Cisco Meraki organization to Boundless using OAuth 2.0, but the status says restricted. What does that mean? Think of it like having a fence in front of your doorway. Boundless is trying to enter, but IP or licensing restrictions are keeping it out. To solve this, click on See Error Message. If the problem comes from IP restrictions, follow the steps provided to add Boundless IP address to your Meraki whitelist. This removes the fence so Boundless can access the data. Once you've done that, hit refresh. If the status switches to connected, you're all set. Boundless now has the green light to access your Meraki data. If you have further questions about Cisco Meraki OAuth 2.0, check our knowledge base. See you next time.